Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. In today's video, we have a French quiz on household items. So let's get started. What is the French word for bed? Here are your options. A. Canapé. B. Chaise. C. Lit. And D. Table. And the answer is C. Lit. What is the French word for chair? Here are your options. A. Chaise. B. Tapis. C. Four. And D. Télé. And the answer is A. Chaise. What is the French word for table? Here are your options. A. Étagère. B. Table. C. Fenêtre. And D. Porte. And the answer is B. Table. What is the French word for sofa? Here are your options. A. Canapé. B. Lit. C. Miroir. And D. Fauteuil. And the answer is A. Canapé. What is the French word for mirror? Here are your options. A. Tapis. B. Miroir. C. Rideau. And D. Verre. And the answer is B. Miroir. What is the French word for carpet? Here are your options. A. Tapis. B. Coussin. C. Placard. And D. Frigo. And the answer is A. Tapis. What is the French word for window? Here are your options. A. Mur. B. Portefeuille. C. Fenêtre. And D. Téléphone. And the answer is C. Fenêtre. What is the French word for door? Here are your options. A. Poêle. B. Porte. C. Manteau. And D. Clé. And the answer is B. Porte. What is the French word for refrigerator? Here are your options. A. Congélateur. B. Four. C. Frigo. And D. Micro-ondes. And the answer is C. Frigo. What is the French word for television? Here are your options. A. Télé. B. Radio. C. Ordinateur. And D. Lampe. And the answer is A. Télé. Merci and please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.